Final shoe for today is coming back to some kids' kicks. And of course, we see that it is a Jordan brand box. Well, you can't see anything if I'm that close. You can see that it's the old black and gold box. And it is an Air Jordan 1 Mid GS. And this is the black toe version of the Mid. Air Jordan 1 Mid GS. Black gem red is the color. Style code is 554-725-069. The 6.5 UPC is 193-658-124-973. And there's a 14 at the end. Now, on the inside of the box, the first thing we always come in and look for, let's see if I can get this in a better position so you can see it. Move that up. Down here at the end, you have the stamp, right? And it's hard to see it, and I won't try to get that in focus. It'll be extremely hard. But that stamp reads 2001-3103. So that looks like to me 01-31-20. 01-31-20. Now, let's see if we have a sticker on the inside of the box. I'm going to lift this up. We do have our Jumpman sticker that's on the inside of that, but we don't have a sticker on the inside of this box, so we only have our QC stamp. So why do I give you the QC stamp? I know you guys are like, yeah, tell us why you give us the QC stamp. Let's put that down so you can see it. Because on the back of the tongue, here on the shoe size label, you get the style code 554-725-069. You also have dates 11/06/19 to 12/27/19. I said 01/31/20, 12/27. We're looking at the holidays. You're talking about within 4 weeks of the production of the shoe. It was stamped, QC'd, and that's good to go because we know that during the holidays you're going to have a little bit of a run over that time period. And typically it is within 4 weeks, but around Chinese New Year in January, December, January, February, you'll have a few shoes that will go longer than the 4-week window. All right, enough of that. I know you're like, man, just show the shoe. Quit all that talking. Well, I can't quit all of the talking. I have to give you the dates and stuff. But I know you came to see the shoe and to see what the differences are between the Jordan 1 Mid and the High OG. Let me see, where do I have a picture of these on the wall? I'm going to do a quick whip around for you guys real quick, right? Inside of the office. And of course you see the picture over here that's on the wall. And then we're going to come back. I'm actually going to hold this in front so you can see the differences there. Right? Kind of goofy. All right, let's turn that back around. Put this down so we can make sure we finish this video in the best way possible and stop it from moving around. But want to make sure you guys get a good look at the shoe. So I'm going to turn it and give you that heel. It's a heck of a replacement, but as you notice, the leather here is not very soft. And the ones tend to kind of hurt your feet. Let's keep it real, right? Why didn't they just make this in a high? You know, Nike can pretty much do what they want and people are going to buy it. And this thing is hitting resale. It's not crazy in resale, but you can still find them at kids' Foot Lockers. And at Foot Lockers, they didn't come to all of the locations, so it was kind of a limited drop in that regard. But I think that's about it. It's not a whole lot. I'm going to give you the medial. Right, so there's the medial, and give you the medial on that one. That's about it. I think I'm going to wrap that up with this shot right here. I always like that shot. So I'm going to wrap it up with that, and I will see you guys on the next one. I hope I hit everything. That's it, y'all. Peace.